The 2023 Acura Integra concept has 19-inch split 5-spoke wheels with a matte finish on the side profile. Large Brembo brakes with the same exterior finish can also be found on the exterior. It has both aesthetic and functional supremacy as a result of this. The interior of the Acura Integra features premium materials and switchgear to deliver upscale feel. Standard body stabilizing and heated front seats featuring synthetic leather upholstery are available in either ebony, red, or orchid color choice. Standard power for the Acura Integra comes in the form of a potent V-Tech engines DOHC 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing 200 horsepower and 192 lb-Vt of torque. The Integra also features a coil-type exhaust system that instills an emotional bond through its evocative exhaust note. The base Integra model for 2023 will cost roughly $30,800, according to Acura. When will the Acura Integra 2023 be released and available? According to Acura, the 2023 Acura Integra will be available in spring 2022. The 2023 Integra will be available at Acura dealerships across the United States. What is your opinion? Please write your opinion in the comments.